Welcome to our exploration of functional areas within a business. These areas form the backbone of any organization, driving operations and success. In this video, we will delve into the roles and responsibilities of each functional area. Understanding these can greatly enhance business efficiency and effectiveness. Let's begin our journey into the world of business functions. Human resources, or HR, is crucial for managing the workforce. This department handles recruitment, training, and employee welfare. HR ensures that the business complies with employment laws and maintains a skilled workforce. In the UK, the NHS HR department is a prime example, managing staff for public health services. HR's role is foundational, supporting other departments by providing the right talent. The finance department is responsible for managing budgets, payroll, and financial planning. It plays a critical role in controlling costs and supporting strategic decisions. Finance ensures that a business remains profitable and financially healthy. A notable UK example is Barclays, which uses financial planning to manage its assets effectively. This department's work is essential for sustaining business operations.
Marketing is all about attracting and retaining customers through research, advertising, and promotions. It boosts sales and brand awareness, crucial for business growth. Tesco, for example, uses club card data to enhance customer loyalty campaigns. Marketing's efforts directly impact the company's bottom line. By understanding customer needs, marketing drives both sales and brand loyalty.
The sales department focuses on selling products and building customer relationships. It is the driving force behind revenue generation. Currys PC World exemplifies this with dedicated in-store sales teams. Sales teams work to meet targets and ensure customer satisfaction. Their efforts are vital for the company's financial success and market presence. Operations oversee the production of goods and services, ensuring efficiency and quality. This department manages logistics, stock control, and quality assurance. Jaguar Land Rover is a leader in operations, managing complex manufacturing processes. Operations ensure that customer expectations are met with precision. Their role is pivotal in delivering products and services efficiently. Customer service handles inquiries, complaints, and after-sales support, enhancing customer experience. This department builds trust and loyalty by resolving issues promptly. Amazon UK's 24/7 online support is a benchmark in customer service excellence. By maintaining high service standards, customer service ensures repeat business and customer satisfaction. Their role is crucial for maintaining a positive brand image.
The IT department manages digital infrastructure, cybersecurity, and tech support. It ensures that business technology runs smoothly and securely. BT Group exemplifies robust IT management, supporting both internal and client networks. IT support is essential for protecting business data and facilitating operations. This department's role is increasingly important in today's digital age.
Research and Development, or R&D, focuses on innovation and product improvement. This department drives competitiveness by developing new products and enhancing existing ones. Unilever UK's investment in product innovation showcases R&D's impact. By fostering innovation, R&D keeps the company ahead in the market. Their work is vital for long-term business growth and success.
Administration supports business operations through clerical work, office management, and data entry. This department ensures smooth day-to-day functioning. Local councils in the UK manage administration for efficient service delivery. Administration's role, though often behind the scenes, is essential for organizational efficiency. They provide the backbone for all other departments to function effectively.
What is procurement? Procurement manages sourcing and negotiating with suppliers. This department ensures cost-effective and timely supply of goods. Morrison's exemplifies efficient procurement with its grocery sourcing team. Procurement's role is crucial for maintaining smooth operations and cost control. They ensure that the business has the resources needed to operate efficiently. functional areas must collaborate to achieve business objectives. For example, HR recruits staff needed by operations, while finance manages the payroll. Effective communication between these areas ensures smooth operations. Miscommunication can lead to inefficiencies and lost sales. Collaboration is key to organizational success and sustainability.
HR works closely with operations to meet staffing needs. They recruit and train employees to ensure smooth production processes. For instance, NHS HR recruits nurses to meet hospital demands. This collaboration is vital for maintaining operational efficiency. HR's role in providing skilled staff is crucial for successful operations.
Finance and marketing must work together for successful campaigns. Finance allocates budgets for marketing promotions and research. Tesco's Club Card campaign is a result of this synergy. By working together, these departments ensure effective use of resources. Their collaboration drives both financial and marketing success.
Customer service provides valuable feedback to operations and marketing. They report on customer satisfaction and common issues. Amazon UK uses this feedback to improve delivery processes. This loop ensures that customer needs are met efficiently. Customer service plays a pivotal role in enhancing product and service quality.
Procurement supports operations by sourcing necessary materials. They ensure timely delivery to keep production running smoothly. Jaguar Land Rover relies on procurement for vehicle parts. This integration is essential for uninterrupted operations. By working together, these departments maintain production efficiency. Marketing campaigns must align with customer service to ensure support readiness. When new products launch, customer service prepares to handle inquiries. Samsung UK exemplifies this alignment with new phone releases. This coordination ensures seamless customer experiences. Both departments work together to enhance customer satisfaction.
Finance and HR coordinate to manage payroll and employee benefits. HR provides necessary employee data for payroll processing. Barclays exemplifies this coordination with efficient salary management. This partnership ensures employees are paid accurately and on time. Their collaboration is vital for maintaining employee satisfaction and compliance.
The IT department supports all other departments with technology needs. They manage software, hardware, and cybersecurity. BT Group's IT team provides comprehensive support for seamless operations. This support is crucial for maintaining productivity and data security. Its role is integral to the smooth functioning of the entire organization.
R&D and marketing work together to bring new products to market. R&D develops innovations while marketing promotes them. Unilever, UK's product launches result from this collaboration. By working closely, they ensure successful product introductions. Their partnership drives both innovation and market success.
Administration supports all departments with essential clerical tasks. They manage schedules, data entry, and office logistics. Local councils rely on administration for smooth service delivery. This support is crucial for overall organizational efficiency. Administration's behind-the-scenes work enables other departments to thrive. Procurement's strategic role involves negotiating with suppliers for cost-effective deals. They ensure the business gets the best value for its purchases. Morrison's procurement team exemplifies strategic sourcing. This department's work is vital for controlling costs and ensuring supply chain efficiency. Their strategic decisions impact the entire business.
In conclusion, functional areas are interdependent and must work together for business success. Effective communication and collaboration are essential. Each department plays a unique role in achieving organizational goals. By understanding these roles, businesses can enhance efficiency and effectiveness. Together, these areas drive long-term success. Thank you for joining us on this journey through business functional areas. We hope this exploration has provided valuable insights. Stay tuned for more informative content on business success.